Hello students, how are you? Today I am going to discuss beyond his duty. Already I have made few video on this chapter, and today I am going to make video next video beyond his duty. This is most important chapter of your class. Already I have made few video on this chapter. Now I am going to discuss next part of this video. But before discussing the next part of this video, it is my request to please see my previous video. Then you can understand the next part of the video very well without any hesitation and problem. Now I'm going to start it. Try to understand the concept of this story very well. This is the story regarding inspector. It was his duty to patrolling to patrol in his area and his localities people are good or not, and they are safe or not, to see his duty. Okay, every day he patrols, but one day he saw gathering of some people, and every day they gathered in front of the tea shop, but he did not understand why they were gathered on the tea shop. Why he noticed? Because they were different people. It means what? Their personalities, looking, was totally different from the other people. That's why he decided to take some steps regarding this matter, whether they are good people or bad people. In my previous video, I have discussed till here. He started an investigation. If he will go with the help of, if he will go with uniform, then they will they will not feel any they will not feel comfortable. They will not give any good answers from where they have came. Okay, so he decided to go without uniform, without police uniform. Okay, to investigate the matter, which type of people are gathered on the tea shop. Okay, he took his bike and he goes without uniform. Okay, in the tea shop, you can see it in the picture very well without any problem and hesitation. Okay, then they were friendly. Or Inspector Akash decided to help them as much as could. They had some little. Now I will go start from here. Try to understand. Okay, they were friendly, though very. He continued to meet them for a few days. Okay, who decided? Inspector decided, so that he could find out all about them. The man told him that they were actually refugees from the neighboring countries. Or in my previous video already I have told you what was neighboring countries. China, Nepal, Bhutan, Pakistan, Myanmar, Bangladesh, they are our neighboring countries. Okay, you are living in India, and these are the neighboring countries. Okay, from there they came. There was unrest in their countries, as a result which they had to abandon their homes. Now they are refugees. They don't have any homes to live. They were going from one place to another place for food, fire, and rest. Okay, which they had to abandon their homes. All of these men were qualified for jobs as a doctor, carpenter, a restaurant owner, and such as in a few new countries. They did not know where to start rebuilding their lives. It means what? They were refugees, they were searching, they were moving one place to another place. They were qualified people, not illiterate people. Okay, you can see it in the picture very well. Doctor, carpenter, restaurant owner. Okay, they are qualified and experienced people. Inspector Akash decided to help them much as he could. Who decided to help them? Inspector Akash. Question may be asked in the examination. Who decided to help them? You will write your correct answer. Inspector Akash decided to help them. To whom? To refugee. Okay. To whom Mr. Akash decided to help? To refugee. Okay. Many alternative question will be given. Okay. Then you will write the correct answers. They had some little money and people were not willing to give them a start. It means what? They were qualified, they were experienced, but they don't have money. They don't have home. That's why they were moving from one place to another place for getting some money. He approached Vikas. He approached. Who approached? Inspector. He approached Vikas, who was a friend from his college days. Whose friend? Inspector's friend. Vikas was the head of a large organization that managed a school and hospital. Okay, both organization he was managing it, school and hospital. Whose friend? He was the friend of Akash. And who was Akash? Akash was the inspector. Okay, they are friends. Okay. Hi Vikas, I wonder if you will be willing to help me rehabilitate some unfortunate people. Okay, this means what? Unlucky people. Clear? Hey Akash, it will be my pleasure if we could make life easier for anyone. It means what? Inspector told his friend, will you help some refugees? After giving the job, then his friend Vikas told that it is my pleasure if I will help them. Okay. Well, I have a doctor, I have a carpenter, a cafeteria manager who need to be employed. There are others, but these are the best qualified. It means what? Vikas told that he had already, but Akash told that I have more qualified. Clear? Akash explained plight of this man to Vikas in details. Vikas immediately arranged interview for all of his new friends. Okay. Then all friends went to meet Mr. Vikas for getting job. Clear? They were soon impressed with the knowledge and qualifications of their displaced people. It means what? When when Vikas met with the refugees people, then he was impressed because they were qualified and experienced. Vikas tried to give all of them jobs according to their capabilities. By March, the two friends and provided enough help to the refugees that they could now start a new life with their grateful families. It means what? Their life, refugees' life were totally changed. Now they get the job and they are doing work and they are earning some money. This is so solid. How this happened? This so solidarity for people of a different culture and background is what makes the world a place worth living. This is how we help people to progress. Okay, it means what? It was done by the Inspector Akash. He changed their life. He changed their life, totally life of these refugees. And refugees were appointed according to refugees were appointed. Refugees were given a good job according to their qualifications and experience. Okay, so it was the last part of their story. So thanks for watching this video and don't forget to share and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like it. Thanks for watching.